Class 6, your chapter number 5, PowerPoint Advanced Features. Class 6, what's the date today? Today is 30 September 2020. So class 6, your chapter number 5, PowerPoint Advanced Features. So student, let's see important points today. First, theme. Theme, a combination of fonts, pictures, background, sounds, etc. Next, template. Template, a ready-made presentation with predefined background, font, style, etc. Okay. Next, slide master, a special type of slide that store information about the theme and slide layout of a presentation. Next important point is your slide master view, the three-pane view in which you work on the master slide and supporting layout. So all these points are important points topic in your PowerPoint advanced features. Now next student, see properly. Next is your activity of a view the slide master view activity. So in this presentation student, you can see slide master task pane. Here first name is slide master, then slides of supporting layouts, then student slide master view of a presentation. So this is a picture of a presentation of a slide master view. You can present in this presentation slide master view. You can see properly this is a actually of a slide master view, and you can maintain properly in this slide. You can see properly. So slide master view, open the firstly required presentation which you want to change and click on the view tab. Then student, in the master view group, click on the slide master button. Then the slide master tab will appear as the active tab on the ribbon, and the slide master task pane will appear on the left. Okay, so student, this is the activity of related view the slide master. Okay. Class 6 lab time activity. Practical number first is your applying a theme and customizing it in PowerPoint. So first step is your create a new presentation and save it by the name Indian Freedom Fighters. First of all, second step is your click in the title placeholder and type our Freedom Fighters as the title. In the subtitle placeholder, type your name, date of creation, class, and so on. Next, third step is your insert a new slide with a two content layout, and in the title placeholder type Mahatma Gandhi. Next student, fourth step, insert a picture of Mahatma Gandhi in one of the content placeholders. In the second content placeholder, type out a few sentences about him as shown or as desired by you. Then next student, fifth, use similar step to insert 9 more slides about prominent freedom fighters including Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mangal Pandey, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. To use a 9 more slides about. Okay. Then next student 6, now open the design tab and apply a theme as you like to the presentation. Here the paper theme has been applied. Okay students. Now see student, like this title slide, our freedom fighters. Then content are 2 content slides. You can any picture to maintain a PPT to through a title slide and mention the name also. Okay students. Then next student 7th, you will observe that formatting and object positioning on the slide will change slightly accordingly to the applied theme, and work on the slide and adjust them. Then 8th, to modify the theme, go to the design tab on the themes group and click the colors button from the drop down list. Select a new color scheme for theme. Here the essential color scheme has been selected. Then next 9, click on the fonts button in the themes group and select a new font theme as required from the drop down list. Then 10, in the background group, click on the background style button and select the background style from the gallery displayed. Then last 11, save and close the presentation exit from the PowerPoint. See like this. Maintain the PPT. To related some name of a leaders: Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Bhai Vallabh Patel, Mangal Pandey and Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, students, so maintain the all these slides to follow the all these steps. Okay. Then next, student, practical number 2 is your modifying the structure of a presentation in the slide master view. Means first steps, open the presentation Indian freedom fighters. Then second, open the slide master view. Third, use the slide master view to insert a picture of the Indian flag on all slides. Then change the title color and alignment of text and the placeholder for all the slide. You can change any title, color, alignment of text, etc. Then student, fifth last, save the changes and view the slideshow in the slideshow view to observe the changes. So student, here is your Mahatma Gandhi to title a picture, to show a PPT, to throw. So student, do practice at your home to same practical number first and practical number 2. Now student, class 6, open your projects report page number 155 and 156. So look at student, question number 3. 3 is your project report. Make a presentation on the topic different kinds of material based on the information you can gather from the chapter in class 6 book, classification of material. A sample presentation is given below. So student, in this project, to make a presentation properly on this topic is your different kinds of materials, different kinds of material based information. Okay, so student, make a presentation properly. See, look at this properly, students. PPT show like this. So student, make a properly presentation to the topic of the different kinds of materials. Okay, and write properly about this material in this presentation, and you can paste any picture in this material like this and write about this. So student, your project report is, your homework is to practice, make a presentation on the topic different kinds of materials. Okay students, so do practice at your home different types of you can create slides to related a topic and paste the pictures about this materials. Okay students, so this is your project report related a presentation. Class 6, your today's homework is chapter number 5. Do practice practical 1 and 2 and make a presentation on the topic different kinds of material.